Hello! Today we are making maja blanca, alright, for dessert. It's very easy. Now, first we have two cans of coconut milk. Each one is about 12 or 13.5 ounces of coconut milk. So we have two of them, okay? Now the next one is the evaporated milk, and this is 12 ounces. And then we have next the condensed milk, which is 14 ounces, okay? And then we have 3/4 cup of sugar, so 3/4 cup of white sugar rather. So we have all these ingredients. We're gonna put them together in a large cooking pot. All right? Okay, we'll do that next. Here's a large cooking pot. So first we will do the coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and then the 3/4 cup sugar. Now this is ready to boil this. Put the heat on medium and then let the sugar dissolve. So we have to keep an eye on it. Once it starts boiling, then we should keep on stirring it until the sugar is dissolved completely. Okay, now it's starting to boil. So we turn the heat in between medium and low. And then we will add the cream of corn and keep stirring it. We'll keep on stirring so it doesn't stick to the pan. Now it's starting to boil. It's been 3 minutes since it started to boil on low-medium heat. Now we are ready to add the cornstarch, okay? This is cornstarch diluted in water, so it's kind of thick. So once we do that, we will start mixing. Keep on mixing and it will thicken. And for extra flavor, just to enhance the flavor, we'll do a drop or two of vanilla extract. There you go. There. That should taste and smell better. It smells good as it is, but with the vanilla extract, it enhances the flavor. Now we are transferring. Put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. I would say 2 hours. Okay? Okay, now the dessert, maja blanca, has been in the fridge for 2 hours, so it's really set firm. So now we're gonna cut it. And there's your maja blanca. Kain na. Alright, for today we have desserts. We have turon and maja blanca. Kain na! And we have gas. Okay.
Kain tayo!